My name is Doug Jarnigan. I teach the On-Ramps program it's actually a dual enrollment class through UT, University of Texas at Austin. We have two. We have On-Ramps Pre-Cal and On-Ramps College Algebra. On-Ramps College Algebra can take the place of your Algebra 2 class, and On-Ramps Pre-Cal takes the place of your Pre-Cal math class. Both are great classes. They are challenging. They are college level classes. So when you're in there is work. You are expected to work. It's not a blow-off class by any means. The benefits of on-ramps, there's a couple. The nice thing about on-ramps is it's called dual enrollment. It is a little bit different than dual credit because in dual enrollment, you'll get a college grade based on tests that the college administers to you. You'll get a high school grade based on whatever I want. It may be some of those tests, it may be those tests curved, plus some of my work, plus some of my own tests. So you may have a 70 for UT, but you could still have a 95 for me. So that's why it's called dual enrollment, because there are two different grades. What also the benefit of that is, that's different than dual credit, at the end of the year, you decide if you want that college grade. Let's say you have a 65, which is passing for college, and you're like, no, I don't want that on my transcript. Then boom, you tell UT, no, I don't want it. There's a form, you fill out everything. And basically that way, you don't get stuck with that on your college grade. You still get all the benefits of taking a college class in high school, which is the most important thing. The really important thing is not necessarily getting the credit, but getting the experience of taking college level material at a little bit slower pace so that you can see what it's like or what it's going to be like in college. There's a lot of emphasis on individual learning, on discovery, where there's times I'm not going to give you exactly what, like in a normal class, sometimes they may tell you, hey, here's the notes, here's the examples, this is what you do. Whereas I'm going to say, all right, I'm going to get you started. You're going to start here. You're going to work your way around within a group, and you're going to figure out exactly what that theorem or that formula is on your own. You're going to develop it so that you can use it in a better way. Right now, on-ramps gets 5 points, just like pre-AP, but it is in the works that I am trying to get that bumped to 10 points, like an AP class, because you're still getting college credit like an AP class, so you should still get that same 10-point bump that AP is getting. Again, it's all through UT Austin. You are actually considered a UT Austin student. You will have access to some stuff at UT Austin, the professor that's on campus there. And let's see what else. I think that's about it. Again, it's a challenging class, but I think it's very, very good for you, especially if you plan on starting out at a 4-year university.
Okay, I am Ms. Bradshaw, and I'm the College and Career Readiness Specialist. I am the liaison on campus for dual credit. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what dual credit is and the difference with on-ramps and dual enrollment. Dual credit is a college level course, just like on-ramps, and you have the advantage of taking a college level course and getting that rigor and finding out what that is about at the high school level. For dual credit, that is through TCC, the Northwest campus. You have to apply, become a TCC student. There are multiple steps that TCC requires before becoming a dual credit student. So not only do you enroll in your classes with your counselor here on campus, we also have to enroll with TCC, pay your tuition, purchase your books. You do not receive a grade each 6 weeks, and throughout the 6 weeks in Skyward with the dual credit, you only receive that one semester grade at the end of the semester that's reported to us by TCC. The dual credit courses are taught either online. We also have options here on campus for an AM session and a PM session that are taught by TCC professors, not campus employees. So that is a difference. You get one grade that is for your high school credit as well as your college credit. That grade stands with TCC on your transcript. So unlike on-ramps, there isn't the option to decide once you see your final grade if you want the college credit or not. It comes with it. On campus, we offer dual credit for English 3 and 4, as well as U.S. History, Government, and Economics. There are classes you can take through TCC for what we call concurrent enrollment, where you're receiving the college credit but not the high school credit. And I'm here on campus to help you get enrolled with either one of those.